Hola BBs! Happy Diciembre to you and yours. If you are like me, you are ready for this year to be done, finito, over. But you also love the holiday season. This time of year, it makes my brown little corazon filled with warmth and joy. I am actually so excited for this video because I am collaborating with my friend Tyler over from Thrifts and Tangles.
Hi everyone, my name is Tyler, aka Thrifts and Tangles. I'm so excited to be teaming up with Dre for sharing how to have a more sustainable holiday season and just sharing eco-friendly holiday tips all around. I love the holidays, and being more sustainable is definitely something that is really important to keep in mind because we all know how wasteful the holiday season can be. But with that being said, after you watch Dre's video, come over to my channel. We'll share some tips over there, and I'm so excited to see you guys. Also, just to give a gist of what Thrifts and Tangles is, over on my channel, we give thrifting, sustainability, and our natural selves a chance. So I would love to see you come over and enjoy Dre's video.
Today, we are bringing you 10 holiday tips to have a sustainable holiday season. It is the season of giving, and if you've got a big family like me, that means lots and lots of presents. Here are a couple swaps that you can make to make your gift wrapping just a little bit more sustainable this year. First, you can invest in reusable wrapping paper. I know what you're thinking, reusable wrapping paper? Like, girl, what you talking about? I'm talking about something like this. Etsy has such cute and festive options. I would say, if you can, opt into supporting a small artisan business who creates those lovely bags rather than, like hopping on Amazon and buying from there. If you can invest, you can actually find fabrics from around your home. You can even hop on over to your local craft store, buy some local and festive fabric, and kind of get creative with your gift wrapping. I saved up some paper from a package to reuse for gift wrapping. Then I made a cute bow with fabric from an old t-shirt. Okay, if you're like, Dre, this seems like a lot. Another option, of course, is to choose a wrapping paper that is made out of completely recycled materials. And finally, if you're like my family, reuse, reuse, reuse. My family will give you a present, say, in a cute little paper gift bag. And before you can even say thank you for your gift, they will already be letting you know that the gift bag is not included in the gift. I mean, is that just like a Latino family thing, or is that just mine? On the topic of gifts and presents, don't be afraid to thrift items for your family and your friends. I personally do not mind at all if my presents are thrifted. I actually prefer it. But of course, I know some people just aren't down with that, and that is cool. But let me tell you, you can get new, in box, with tags, never worn stuff online and thrifted. Not only can you get brand new things thrifted, but you're also going to get them at a fraction of the price. I recently uploaded one of my fave videos ever where I talk about online thrift tips. If you're looking for something specific or new and don't know where to start, check out that video because it has lots and lots of tips. And who knows, maybe I can help you find the perfect gift for someone. Let me be the first person to tell you, you do not need a new New Year's Eve outfit this year. I mean it, you don't need one. First of all, we are still in the middle of a global pandemic. Some of y'all are acting real cute like you forgot. Even if you do have some sort of small gathering or plans this year, New Year's Eve outfits are like wedding outfits. They're like Halloween costumes. You hype them up to be worn one time, 1 year, not even for a day, for a few hours. It's honestly so silly when you think about it that way. And can we just please move on from the whole Instagram already saw it, so I can never wear it again ever, even though it's just gonna sit in my closet and I paid good money for it? Thank you. So of course, opt in to thrifting or buying secondhand, or better yet, swapping with a friend. They may have a little black dress that they wore that one time, and now you can wear that little black dress this one other time. Frugal, eco-friendly, fashionable. You can also get super creative this year and make a new NYE outfit from the stuff you already have in your closet. I grabbed my fade leather skirt, a thrifted mesh top, and paired it with a bold lip for a super quick and easy NYE sustainable fit. Of course, you can't control what other people want as presents, but you can make your own wish list sustainable. If you do make your own wish list, make sure that you are opting in for sustainable companies. You can even ask for new zero waste swaps. For example, last year was my first year living #sustainably, and I asked for a safety razor. It's been now almost a whole year and I still haven't needed to change the blade. That might give you an insight to how often I do or don't shave my legs. Other sustainable gift options that you can include on your own wish list include a donation in your name to your favorite grassroots organization, a book to learn more about the climate crisis or environmental racism, gift cards for your favorite thrift or charity shop, plants, art from BIPOC small businesses. There are loads of sustainable gift ideas that you can include in your own wish list this year. I know that Tyler actually released a sustainable gift guide, so check that out on her blog. And my final tip for you today is to try and have a vegan or vegetarian holiday dinner. I know this can seem like a lot or even impossible. I've only been vegetarian for a little over a year, and the thought of having a vegan or vegetarian holiday dinner with my family seems impossible, laughable even. If that is a scenario for you, I would suggest just opting in for one single swap. Just make one dish that is normally not vegan or vegetarian and make it vegan or vegetarian. Reducing your meat consumption or going to a plant-based diet does have great and positive impacts on the planet, but let me tell you, I am not here to push the vegan agenda on you. I actually have a video of 50 ways to be sustainable without going vegan. Because I know that simply me telling you to just go vegan is more complicated than it seems. I do know that. But the reason why I wanted to include this tip is because just making one single swap, it's just like dipping your toes in the water. Maybe that will translate into other aspects of your life, and who knows, you may love it. That is all that I have for you today, my peeps. Head on over to Tyler's channel to get 5 more tips on how to have a sustainable holiday season. Her video is linked down below, so you do not miss it. If you like this video, or if you're still here, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, I would love it if you were. Consider that your sustainable holiday gift to me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Andrea_Caterina. I try to post daily content on there. Of course, we talk about low and zero waste, sustainable living, but we also talk about social and climate justice in this space. So I would love it if you follow me on there. And happy holidays. I will see you guys next time. I forgot to tell you that I'm wearing my holiday socks. You can thrift